it's only cricket which can bring Indians together. Thankfully, as I grew up, I came out of this mentality, and now I find so many more reasons for me to celebrate the fact that I am an Indian and to also stand in the success of India. 23rd of August 2023 happens to be one such day because today ISRO finally completed what it couldn't do back in 2019. The Chandrayaan 3 made its successful soft entry into the southern part of the moon. And with this, India becomes the fourth such country in the world to be able to do it. Before India, there were only three countries, namely US, Russia and China, who made this successful landing into the southern part of the moon. ISRO tried doing it back in 2019 through Chandrayaan 2, but since Chandrayaan 2 did not have a soft landing on the surface of moon, it wasn't really considered a 100% successful mission. That did not stop the world from applauding the amount of efforts that the ISRO scientists had put into Chandrayaan 2. Bringing in all those positivity and all the learnings, Chandrayaan 3 finally did what they couldn't do in 2019. It was such an amazingly built project that the former chief of ISRO, Mr. K. Sivan, was sure that it is going to be a successful mission of ISRO. Today, as we celebrate being the fact that we are the fourth such country to actually achieve this big feat, I'm going to talk about 5 such things which ISRO did to improvise Chandrayaan 3 and make it better than Chandrayaan 2. Well, this is my small little platform where I talk about all my learnings for my MBA time period and alongside all the more reasons which makes me a proud Indian. If you think that this is the energy you were looking for on your YouTube feed, then consider subscribing to the channel and like, share and comment what you feel about ISRO's big feat achievement. If you're new to the channel, you can consider subscribing it and sharing it with your friends and family. And if you're already a member of Teacher with Wings, then thank you so much for being there with me throughout my journey. Without wasting any more time, let's get into the video and understand what makes Chandrayaan 3 the hero of 2023.
Countdown has begun. India's moon mission is in its final stages. The Indian spacecraft Chandrayaan 3 is very close to the moon. No glitches so far. The mission is going as per schedule.
The mystical and the magical space. The beauty of space is such that the more you know about it would be the more you would want to know about it. ये इतना fascinating था कि शुरुआत से ही लोगों का इंटरेस्ट मून को स्टडी करने पे था. आज जब इंडिया ने चंद्रयान 3 को फाइनली लॉन्च कर दिया है, देन इट इज़ डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू आंसर अ लॉट ऑफ योर रिसर्च क्वेश्चंस. पर कहानी की शुरुआत होती है चंद्रयान 1 से. इंडिया को क्रेडिट किया गया था फॉर बीइंग द फर्स्ट कंट्री टू फाइंड आउट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर ऑन द मून. येस, यू हर्ड इट राइट. इट वाज इंडिया हु एक्चुअली फाउंड इट आउट. 2008 में जब इंडिया ने अपना पहला लूनर मिशन एग्जीक्यूट किया था तो उस समय वो 514 करोड़ का था. फिर बारी आई चंद्रयान 2 की. हम सब इंतज़ार कर रहे थे कि एक सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग के साथ में हमें मून के सदर्न पार्ट के बारे में ज़्यादा जानने को मिले. अपेरेंटली इंडिया से पहले ऐसी सिर्फ 3 कंट्रीज़ थी जिन्हें ये सक्सेसफुली किया था, नेमली द US, रशिया और चाइना. ये इंडिया का फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट था टू स्टडी द सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ द मून. ये वीडियो आप सब ने हर जगह पे देखी होगी 2019 में जब चंद्रयान 2 फेल हुआ था. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद चंद्रयान 2. What was the mission and specifically why did it fail? चंद्रयान 2 को जब 2019 में फाइनली लॉन्च किया गया था, then at that point the aim of ISRO was to send its orbiter, lander and the rover to the moon. They wanted to send it in one single combined spacecraft in July 2019 and September 2019 तक the lander had to make a soft entry on the southern part of the moon. अब southern part ही क्यों? Well, the reason behind it was this particular portion of moon wasn't really studied much before that. And not just this, it was actually bigger than the northern part. There were 3 major components in Chandrayaan 2. Vikram, the lander, Pragyan, the rover, and the orbiter. It was launched on GSLV Mark 3, जो कि उस टाइम पे इसरो का strongest launching vehicle था. As per plan, Vikram had to land 600 kilometers from the southern pole, but contact lose हो जाने की वजह से this did not happen, and apparently this led to the failure of Chandrayaan 2. 9th September 2019. We were this close from making our name into the pages of history, but due to the last minute technical error, we couldn't really make it. ISRO was very firm to make this dream into reality, and that happened in the form of Chandrayaan 3, when on 23rd of August 2023 we completed our dream. 3 years, 11 months and 14 days. This was the time Chandrayaan 3 took in the making. So much so that the former chief said that it is going to be a successful mission. The big question is, what really changed? To begin with, as ISRO started designing Chandrayaan 3, they had a failure-based design in their mind. This enabled the entire team of scientists to look for every possible reasons of failure for Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 2 के failure के बाद में it was very crucial to look into the entire redesigning from a totally new perspective. This failure-based model was the beginning of this new change, which finally led to the success of Chandrayaan 3. Now, as we move along, we get to see a lot of interesting features in the structure of Chandrayaan 3. If we compare it with Chandrayaan 2, it weighs way less. It weighs 3900 kgs only, क्योंकि चंद्रयान 3 में ऑर्बिटर को नहीं सेंड किया गया था. चंद्रयान 2 में जो ऑर्बिटर इस्तेमाल किया गया था, चंद्रयान 3 को भी इस तरीके से डिज़ाइन किया गया है दैट द सेम ऑर्बिटर कैन कंपैटिबली वर्क विद चंद्रयान 3 एज वेल. इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट को 3 स्टेजेस में डिवाइड किया गया. The first one is for propulsion, the second one is for the lander, and then finally the third one is where the exact experiment will start happening on the surface of moon. तो अगर हम डिज़ाइन और compatibility की बात करें, then it is definitely way better as compared to Chandrayaan 2. As we move along, we get to see some more features added into the build quality and capacity of Chandrayaan 3, which ultimately led to the success of it. Now, if we look into the fuel capacity or the fuel holding capacity of Chandrayaan 3 and compare it with Chandrayaan 2, we'll get to see that it has a wider range. Basically, ये ज़्यादा fuel hold कर सकता है. ये इसलिए रखा गया था so that just in case last minute में कोई भी landing space या फिर landing path को लेके कोई भी changes करने हो, then fuel should not be a reason for not being able to execute the same. ये एक ऐसा फीचर था जो इसरो के इस प्रोजेक्ट को फ्यूचर अनसर्टिनिटीज से, बेसिकली द लास्ट 15 मिनट ऑफ हॉरर से बचा सकता था. Now that we have already discussed about the features, the build quality and the capacity of Chandrayaan 3, अब बात करते हैं इसके बजट की, because let's not forget वो भी एक बहुत ही important और interesting aspect है. इंडिया के पहले 3 कंट्रीज़ नेमली यूएस, रशिया एंड चाइना, इन तीनों ने मून के सदर्न पार्ट में सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग का फीट ऑलरेडी अचीव कर लिया था. अब बात की जाए चंद्रयान 3 के बजट की, देन द एंटायर प्रोजेक्ट वाज कंप्लीटेड इन 615 crore rupees. As per a report published in Times Now News, the ISRO's former chairman K. Sivan quoted that the lander, rover and propulsion module will cost 250 crore rupees, while the launch service will be completed in 365 crores. 615 crore rupees. Wait a minute, ये कुछ ज़्यादा तो नहीं हो गया? Let's put it into perspective. As per a report published by WION, US in the year 2022 spent $61.97 billion in its space and research projects. And उसको अगर हम इंडिया से कंपेयर करें तो इंडिया ने सिर्फ $1.93 billion स्पेंड किए थे. इंडिया कोई पहली ऐसी कंट्री नहीं थी जिसने 2023 में मून पे सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग करने की कोशिश की थी. There is also a startup from Japan which wanted to be the first commercial owned company to try the same. By the name of Hakuto R, they tried to make this soft entry on the surface of moon in the month of April after they launched. In the month of May, they were expecting the soft landing to happen, but due to miscalculation, it failed. आज दुनिया भर में इंडिया की इस अचीवमेंट को सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है. Countries like US, Russia, China, Japan, even Pakistan have appreciated us. Elon Musk ने तो चंद्रयान 3 के बजट को हॉलीवुड मूवी इंटरस्टेलर से कंपेयर कर दिया. Yes, today India is on the moon and this started with that same cycle. इस साइकिल से चांद तक का सफ़र was the result of the hard work and perseverance, the dedication with which ISRO came into existence, the faith which Vikram Sarabhai had on this research organization back in 1962. आज जब हम बहुत प्राउडली कहते हैं कि हम ऐसी चौथी कंट्री हैं जिसने सक्सेसफुली मून के सदर्न पार्ट पे लैंडिंग की है, देन दिस रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ द ब्यूटीफुल लाइंस ऑफ हरिवंश राय बच्चन. लहरों से डर कर नाव पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।